What if you could invest in companies that are no longer small but not yet giants either? Businesses that have already proven their model yet still have plenty of room to grow. That's the space the Samco Midcap Fund operates in. But does investing in midcaps really offer the best balance between growth and risk, or does this segment come with volatility that investors often underestimate? So let us break it down in this video in an in-depth manner. So hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach their goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now before analyzing this fund, let us first understand what is a mid-cap fund. A mid-cap fund invests in medium-sized companies ranked between 101 to 250th by market cap. So they offer a mix of growth potential and moderate risk. So it aims to strike a balance between large and small cap funds, so the returns can be higher than large caps but with more volatility. Success depends on smart stock selection. Mid caps are less stable, so the fund manager's skill here really matters. So as an NFO, it opens on 21st Jan 2026 and closes on 4th Feb 2026. So some of the key features of the fund are: this is an open-ended fund type which belongs to the category of equity mid cap. It has Nifty Mid Cap 150 TRI as its benchmark index, and there is an exit load of 1% which will be charged for redemption within 12 months. So there is no entry load. The minimum investment amount required here is 5,000 rupees. So the fund managers for this fund are Mr. Dhaval Ghanshyam Dhanani, Ms. Komal Grover, Ms. Nirali Bansali, and Mr. Umesh Kumar Mehta. And according to the riskometer, the risk involved in this fund is very high. So the primary investment objective of this fund is that it seeks to generate long-term capital appreciation by investing predominantly in equity and equity-related instruments of mid-cap companies. So now, as we have a basic idea about the fund, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to take a look at the pros and cons. So let us start with the advantages. Number one, the fund aims to invest in mid-sized companies with strong growth potential and expanding business models. These businesses often sit at a sweet spot between stability and scalability. And number two, historically, mid-caps have delivered higher long-term returns compared to large caps. For investors willing to accept some volatility, this segment can enhance overall portfolio growth. And number three, the portfolio typically spreads investments across multiple sectors and industries. So this helps reduce over-reliance on any single theme or company. And number four, mid-cap investing rewards patience more than timing. With a long investment horizon, compounding can work effectively in this category. So the cons are: number one, mid-cap stocks tend to move more sharply during market corrections. So short-term fluctuations can be uncomfortable for investors not used to volatility. And number two, returns in this category often comes in cycles, not smooth upward trends. So investors may need to stay invested through long phases of underperformance. Number three, being an actively managed fund, outcomes depend significantly on the fund manager's stock selection. So good calls can add value, but mistakes can impact returns. And number four, during broad market downturns, mid caps usually fall more than large caps. So recovery can also take longer when sentiment turns negative. So these are all some of the drawbacks that we need to consider before deciding to invest in this fund. Now, what is the final takeaway? Is investing in the Samco mid-cap fund worth it or not? So is this fund a gateway to higher growth than large cap investing? Potentially, if you're comfortable with volatility. So does diversification within mid-caps eliminate risk? Not entirely. It reduces stock-specific risk, but market risk remains high. And is mid-cap investing suitable for everyone? Probably not. Patience, discipline, and a long-term mindset are essential. So at the end of the day, the Samco Mid-Cap Fund is simply one way to participate in India's mid-cap growth story. The real question here is, does your time horizon, risk appetite, temperament truly align with the mid-cap journey? Our personal recommendation is that if you do want to invest in a mid-cap fund, instead of investing in an NFO like this, you can choose to invest in existing mutual funds that have been here in the market, like with track records for a minimum of 7 to 10 years, where you will be able to take a calculated risk by analyzing how it has performed in the highs and lows, because in an NFO without proper portfolio and research, investment is risky. It's like taking a blind risk. But if you still want to invest in this particular NFO just to see how it will perform in the later years, and you have some surplus money right now, you can invest it through your satellite portfolio as a minimum investment with a trial amount, just for a trial. And if you do need professional guidance, you can consult with a financial planner who will look into the fund suitability with factors like investment objective, risk profile, overlap ratio, allocation, and see whether that aligns with your risk tolerance, your financial goals, and the time horizon you have for those particular goals, and will strategically guide you towards better outcomes in a long-term period. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.